In the Ozarks, winter slows the gut's rhythm. Cold air thins the mucosal veil and dry winds stir immune flares from within. Today we're going to turn to fermented roots, demulcent bark, and fungal allies, each tuned to this land's winter pulse. Fermented roots like Turnip and Daikon, grown in Ozark clay, offer sour vitality. They counter cold stagnation, awaken gut motility, and prime the microbiome. They're sulforaphane-rich cousins, like wild mustard green, and modulate NF-kappa beta and speak the language of winter resilience. Now, NF-kappa beta is one of the body's main inflammation switches. It turns on when we need protection, but when it stays on too long, it can irritate the gut lining and dry out the mucosal barrier. Sulforaphane, the sulfur-rich compound in wild mustard, helps the body modulate that switch. It doesn't shut inflammation down, it just keeps the signal from getting stuck on high, and that means less unnecessary irritation and better support for a hydrated, resilient gut lining in the winter. Demulcents, like slippery elm, harvested from Ozark lowlands, and marshmallow root, restore the mucosal barrier. They hydrate, coat, and soothe. For dry digestion and gut-driven immune flares, they're the soft protectors, reweaving the veil that guards our inner ecology. Medicinal mushrooms like reishi and shiitake, grown in shaded Ozark hollows, offer beta-glucans that modulate immune tone. They don't suppress, they orchestrate. In winter, when the gut's defenses run high, these fungi recalibrate the response, grounding the system in quiet strength. This elixir, sour, earthy, and warm, is a winter ritual, a way to hydrate the mucosa, repair the barrier, and speak to the immune system in its own language. Think of it as a counterspell to dryness, stagnation, and internal flare. In the stillness of Ozark winter, gut immunity is not a battle, it's a conversation. With fermented roots, demulcent bark, and fungal allies, we restore rhythm, we hydrate the veil, and we remember that healing begins in the quiet.